I know this country, this is Israel, and this is also the Germany, I have a 7 magnificent here. In this 100 feet ground in the fault line, this country, you know, every station I know in country. In Alpapay station, I have 27 canyons, 7 granites, and 27 boulevard business of bull tanks of negative 77 part of night shadow, the fixer. When I opened the Malacanang City in St. Jude Hospital, I have a 7 grounds of magnificent 7 treasure of national golds of Colombia, and that is a first golden Buddha. I know this city. In this whole world, I have many missiles in this valley. I have 37 missiles under the ground of Camiedo, and it was easy to find because the 400 feet was injured by my knuckled hot down of my shadow that paint the pose of the image of the last coming of the full seat. That is the Magna Fanta computer. And I'm fixing my mind because Doy Aquino was fixed that demon. He find my 3 characters of my 2 hearts and the shadow and he put in the fire and I recover. And I use drugs of that shabu. So when I use drugs, I remember my morning. Ay bombo is you up further. If you remember, Master, Señores, ay good morning, good morning po. Pasensya na po. That was the time I know. You better know the day. I'm better for all. And you know this country is a city kind of God. That is Jerusalem. For all of you, if you contact Mrs. Marcos or anybody who is in Marcos family, you told them, hey, butter, you respect my mind, boy. It's just an innocent time. You give me a shit of mind. You wanna kiss my chicker? Come on, let's fight. How do you go see? Better respect somebody's talking. If you don't like my dialogue, you go out in the city. I'm a police also. I'm an NBI, I'm an FBI. Even you talk to Mr. Rame, Puanets Beach. You're from India, Ponchata ka puti. Do you remember Rambo? When I kid 100 Nina, you know, fix a tanko, Tika. I know you, Bobby. If you're a pakiyaw tax, nothing me, no money allowed for me, but I'm innocent. I love Filipino mind, Better rin mo, it's good, Kung minalala kayo, kung kilala niyo mama ko, kung malapit kayo kay mama, sabihin niyo si Bongbong gising. Ang putang ng Channel 7, Channel 2 ayaw papasukin. Paano takot sila? Putang ng itong mga niyakin ko, puputan ko ng ulo sa harapan yan. Ang laki ng atrasurahan yan. Yung pinaka-itlog ko, tsaka yung pinaka-basahis ko, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Istomach ko, nilagay niya rito. Ang headfit ko, kita niyo, wala na kuko. Paano bis, keep my 3 eyes, My nose was put in the heart, man. And my hair put in my pubic hair. It changed easy. I cannot fix that, That's the demon of Vietnam, Now he's a president. Never I say, a Filipino is smarter.